Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Victory Shaver from Bailey. This shaver is made up of stainless steel and it's pretty sturdy, so the chances of getting it rust are pretty minimal. My husband has been using this kind of shavers before, and the quality of the shaver was not good. It used to get rust, like say in 3 to 4 months, as he used to use it regularly. But this looks pretty good and it's pretty neatly made. Now, this shaver comes along with a nice carry box, as you can see, and when you open it, here is a mirror, and here is where you can keep your extra plates when you're traveling. So these are the 5 extra plates that have come along with it. So this is a place for the plates, and just place your shaver over here and close it. So just carry this box along with you and you are all set. Now this blade goes in this as it has come along with it, but I also had few blades from the brand Gillette. This is a Gillette brand blades over here, which my husband has been using it before. So this blade also fits in this razor pretty well. Now, how do you open this razor and how do you fix this blade in it? So you just need to rotate it, hold this from up and rotate it. So as you can see, this is getting open. Okay, now it's open. It's been separated in 3 parts. So now I'll open this blade. Be pretty careful while using the blades as they are pretty sharp, so don't cut your hand. I'll just place it here. I'll put it in the base part and back to the holder, and I'll rotate it again clockwise for closing it. Make it tight and it's ready to use. As you can see over here, this is the blade over here, this is the edges, side edges, and the second part again. It was pretty easy to clean this razor for my husband and pretty easy to open and close. And I also have a stand where I can just hold this razor. So this razor is overall very nicely made. It's pretty good material. It's little heavy in weight because it's made of stainless steel, and the best part is this part, the from where you hold the razor is not smooth. It's pretty it's they have made it a little rough so that you get a good grip and you don't slip your hands. So overall my husband is very happy with this, and even I am planning to use this for shaving purpose, and so I guess even the guys and the women's both can use this. So it's a great razor for this price and I would recommend this to buy. Thank you so much.